Morning. It's another cold one. A frosty tent again. But it's going to be another clear day. No plans for the day. Just to make it most of the way to the Black Sea. Preferably past Dobrich so I can do my internet stuff. But that's it. I'll just wake up in one field and go to sleep in another field, I expect. Behind the cows you can see the beginnings of the roadworks that I successfully talked my way into being allowed to go through instead of taking the very sketchy four-wheel drive track off to the side. What I didn't have the foresight to do though is to ask how long the roadworks were going to go. Well, that's a relief. I failed to ask when I talked my way through these roadworks how many kilometres the roadworks were going for. I thought the village was just getting a new road, but it's been a couple of kilometres. I think it's all over. Hard to tell. Oh well, I've got the time. What else am I doing? So that was not the end of it. I've since had the opportunity to ask kilometres and I've been told 3 or 5. It's got worse. I'm well and truly in the middle of it now. It's all right while it remains dry, but if it gets muddy, I'm in all kinds of trouble with my oversized tyre and fender. Onwards. 16 kilometres later, I've got some bitumen back, but it's still rough at the edges, so I'm by no means in the clear yet. The nice thing is, I don't have to share the road with anyone. There's only those bits of industrial traffic here and there, but otherwise, it's all mine. It is 2 minutes past 7. Apparently I'm stuck here. I just left Dobrich on my way to Bulgaria on the coast. 7 o'clock, so I'm looking for a campsite. But unless I just camp right here, I'm going to have to proceed down this road a tiny bit. There's not a lot of cover around here, but I did spot this shelter a few hundred metres from the road. As you can see, it's sunset. I'm not allowed on the road right now. That's the road just up there, so this is going to be my hiding spot for the night. All settled in, lovely sunset. Dinner's ready. On the menu tonight we have instant noodles, pickled red cabbage, some baklava because it's been a big day, and not to forget the wine. Cheers, na zdrowie.